Good morning, it's Tuesday. This is Guru's Tech Bytes, episode 100. We made it to triple digits, which means the computers have officially been talking longer than some of my relatives at Thanksgiving. Grab your coffee, check that your laptop isn't installing an update, and let's see what the internet dragged in today. First up, Japan developed a method that can recover up to 90% of the lithium from used electric vehicle batteries. That's a big deal, because lithium is expensive, mining it is messy, and apparently the future runs on little gray boxes we keep forgetting to charge. If old batteries can feed new ones, that's less waste and less digging. It's recycling, except the blue bin is wearing safety goggles and probably has a doctorate. Second, one developer explained how to build and ship Mac and iOS apps without opening Xcode. Apple people are gonna hear that and react like somebody made lasagna without an oven. But command line tools can handle a surprising amount of the work, from compiling to packaging and release steps. It sounds freeing right up until one certificate expires and your terminal starts speaking in riddles like a wizard who charges by the hour. Third, there's a new write-up about a Git history command that makes repository archaeology easier. Git already remembers every mistake you ever committed, like a neighbor with security cameras. A cleaner history view can help you follow how code changed, where branches moved, and which innocent-looking commit released the raccoon into production. Hey, okay, that's something. At least the evidence comes with timestamps. And finally, Clock gives coding agents a disposable Linux virtual machine instead of access to your actual laptop. This is the digital equivalent of letting a contractor test the flamethrower in an empty parking lot instead of your living room. Agents can install packages, run commands, and break their temporary sandbox while your files sit somewhere safer. It doesn't make autonomous code magically trustworthy, but containment is a good start, especially when the robot confidently says, "I cleaned up some unused folders." That's your Daily Byte. Have a great day. Until next time. Today we learned that batteries may get a second life, Xcode can be avoided, Git keeps receipts, and coding agents probably deserve their own padded room. Keep your backups current, your permissions narrow, and your coffee somewhere the virtual machine can't reach.